More than 50 shop owners at Awoshie along the N1 highway are counting their losses following the demolition of their structures by the Ablekuma North Municipal Assembly. The assembly asserts that the demolition was conducted to avert potential casualties as the shops were illegally erected on land currently being utilized by utility companies. The following report has more.
Ernest Enyan's shop is one of more than 50 shops that were demolished by the Ablekuma North Municipal Assembly in Awoshie along the N1 highway in Accra. Speaking to Citi News, he says he is unfazed in the face of the demolition.
Na akacha o customers say o ko different places.
Adwuma ne de yan ne sa o. Onya ba ho na wuni ho a no ano no.
Entum free a.
Me wa ha, ahia na me wo. Ahia na me wo. Me nko ba bia e be si canopy. The next time wa baba bia o baba na yesi.
Enti usi na ebu, usi na ebu, usi na ebu.
Me ya wa oba pa ba wa obejai. Wa obejai. Oba na maye, ubebu, oba na maye, wa obejai. Zizia me no baby akọ nfa na mko biem bi wa me furu ha ebu ma dia hwe ebusia ohun me ketewa sa no me hwe ebusia o ba an tumi anko school ni bi ba ntino kakra ya so ye benya ansa ba koya no de e ma no mbo hen.
The demolished shops house traders, mechanics and others. However, the assembly justifies its decision by citing the illegal acquisition of the space which intersects with areas utilized by companies like the Ghana Water Company Limited and various telecommunication firms for their infrastructure.
In fact, before you put up any structure, the law demands that you have permit before you put up any structure. But unfortunately, people are building containers, wooden structures within the buffer of the N1 without permit. And it is the same place that we have our utility lines passing. Ghana Water Company has 8 pipes passing the ECG, the telecommunication masts and all that. They all have their lines passing within the utility corridor. But people have now taken over the buffer for trading activities. So, in fact, the time has come as an assembly, if we don't take an action, we will be overwhelmed. So that is why we moved in this morning. So adequate notice was given them. In fact, if you look at the Local Governance Act, we didn't even need to give them notice because the activities was just an infringement or encroachment on the public right of space.
The destroyed goods encompassed air conditioners and food items. The affected shop owners criticized the assembly for the destruction of their goods, citing inadequate notice given for evacuation.
2 o'clock, me coffee. Let me. I didn't know. I destroying just seconds. We have so many years up there. All the seconds. Hi, Sabi, you be here. The end of the day. Oh, you know how Ojiska, you chiska. Every month like the year, you chiska. Sabi, me lot of time be jam no basis. It's at least moment space. At least be near we can use any parents or family. That's it. O family we yanko wia na na do ma twitwa akoje nso no be sa de we be sia. Man sweat. That is the way. All the seconds I said now. Nshanka ya me why?
Oma say battery say nkonfo battery say e charge nya. Oma say ni nya. Oma say oma ye polyclinic wa ha. Polyclinic no say oma nya nwie. No ma oma ye oma nya. Nkonfo battery say oma da ben. Oma say nya say me hu na ana pay am po bia battery obaje ne battery. Me hu battery no. We oma ba no oma nka hwe. Oma ba ha on the 7th May. You answer on my back, and I do your friend on my friends. Go for number Ebu Buyadan. You buy a woman Buyadan. You know me, I say, you be Biase.
The affected shop owners here at Awoshie are counting their losses after the demolition of their shops. For the Ablekuma North Municipal Assembly, their current abode is illegal. Reporting for Citi News, my name is Kennedy Chumesi.